Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. As students, in today's English class we are going to study our lesson 4 of the unit 1, which is sentences. It means in this lesson we are going to make sentences. Students, in throughout this lesson we are going to make the sentences in the present continuous tense. I hope in the previous class you have studied the present continuous tense. But let me remind you once again, in the present continuous tense, you always use the three helping verbs is, am and are, and along with that, a verb is always used in the fourth form, okay? Just like singing, playing, etc. Come to the first exercise, make sentences using the words in the table. Okay, now students, you are given a table. Now what you have to do, you have to match all of these words in all of these tables to make a complete sentence that gives a proper meaning. Students, in the first box there are given two words, there is and there are. You know, there is a rule that when there is a singular thing we always use is, and if it is a plural thing we will use there are. Okay, there is will be used for one thing and there are will be used for many things. Okay, so let's start our first sentence, which is, in the next box you are given some subjects. These are some birds, a shark, two girls, a man, some children. As I told you before, if there is a singular thing you are going to put there is, and if there is a plural thing you will write there are. Okay, and after completing this box you are going to move to the next box. It has all the verbs. Okay, these words are in the ing form or the fourth form. As I told you before that in this lesson we are going to read about present continuous tense, and it is the rule of present continuous tense that you must add ing to the main verb. It means the fourth form of the verb. Okay, now you have to match these subjects with their proper verbs that can match their situation. Okay, and in the last box there are places are given which show that where this work is done. Okay, इस बॉक्स में वो प्लेसेस के नेम हैं, मतलब ये जो वर्क हो रहे हैं, स्विमिंग, प्लेइंग, फ्लाइंग, स्लीपिंग एंड हॉपिंग, where are they being done. Okay, let's suppose in the bay, on the beach, near the lake, over the water, under the tree. Okay, so let's start making our sentences. Okay, first let's start with there is. Okay, there is, we cannot take some birds, okay, because this is plural. We will use a shark. Okay, there is a shark. Now students, assume what a shark can do. It can swim, play, fly, sleep or hop. Of course a shark can swim, so we will match this to the swimming. A shark swimming. Okay, first of all match from this, there is, match it to a shark swimming. When it can swim? In the bay, on the beach, near the lake, over the water या under the tree. Obviously बात है, shark will swim always in a bay. Now what is a bay? Bay is a portion of the ocean, okay, which is surrounded by the land. On the three sides it is surrounded by land, but it is a portion of water. बीच पर तो shark नहीं swim कर सकती. Okay, near the lake, lake के करीब भी नहीं. Over the water means above the water. ठीक है, it doesn't swim above the water, and under the tree भी shark नहीं swim कर सकती. So shark is swimming in the bay. Okay. Okay, come to the next sentence, which is, there is a man. Okay, we are going to match is with a man. Why a man? Because is used with a singular always. A man is, what can a man do? Now you know, mostly the men do not play. There are two girls and the boys, so it's better that children and girls should play. This man should not sleep. Okay, it doesn't look good. So let's match this man to the sleeping. ओके, क्योंकि प्ले करने के लिए हमारे पास गर्ल्स और चिल्ड्रन मौजूद हैं, तो इस मैन से हम कौन सा वर्क करवा रहे हैं? स्लीपिंग. ओके, नाउ वेट, कहाँ सो रहे होंगे भाई? अंडर द ट्री, ओवर द वाटर, ऑन द बीच या नियर द लेक. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी स्लीपिंग अंडर द ट्री, बिकॉज you know the tree has a very soothing and cool shade, so man is enjoying his sleep under the tree. Okay. Okay, now there are इसको मैच करते हैं किससे? Of course एक plural thing. Some birds. Now what can bird do? Play करेंगे birds, flying या hopping? Okay, think about it. Birds always fly. So birds are flying. Okay, where are the birds flying? They are flying over the water. ठीक है? Above the water, पानी के ऊपर ऊपर. ठीक है? Then there are two girls. Now what are the girls doing? Two girls are क्या कर सकती हैं ये? Playing. Hopping means jump करना. As you know, girls always like to play. They are not naughty like boys, so they do not hop or jump like the boys. So two girls are very decent and they are playing. Okay, where they are playing? They are playing on the beach. Okay, then there are some children. Now what are the children doing? Okay, the children are hopping. Okay, means jumping. Hopping where? Near the lake. Okay, so it's all right अगर आप गर्ल्स की प्लेस बॉयज़ में एंड बॉयज़ की प्लेस जो है वो गर्ल में शिफ्ट कर दोगे. इट्स ऑल राइट. इट्स जस्ट फॉर कन्वीनियंस, जिसकी वजह से मैंने आपको ये वर्ड्स मैच करवाए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, योर सेंटेंसेज आर कंप्लीट. Now comes to the exercise number 2. This is your task to do. This is your homework to do. Make sentences for the picture using phrases from the box. In this box you are given the phrases. Okay, basically these are the places where all of these works are being done. As I told you before, all sentences are in present continuous tense. So first show the example. Let me show you the first example. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Now this is about this fourth picture. There are some boys playing football in the playground. Now इसके लिए जैसे आप कैसे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं? A teacher is painting. Now where is she painting? In the classroom. Okay, or you can also say a teacher is making drawing in the classroom. It's up to you. Whatever words you may find easy or whatever words you like, you can put here, but it should give a complete sense. Okay, there is a teacher. Okay, आपने there is या there are लाजमी लगाना है. There is a teacher painting in the classroom. In the second picture there are some boys. Now what are they doing? You have to find out what are they doing. Okay, they are exercising. What are these girls doing? Okay, and where are these girls doing? You have to find these phrases from the boxes and complete the sentences. Okay, and this one is done for you. And the last one, there are some girls. Now what are the girls doing? I think they are playing. Where are they playing? You have to find the place from this box and complete the sentences. Okay, so students, in this way you have to write all of these sentences. I hope you can easily make the sentences, and if you find any difficulty you can ask me on our WhatsApp group, and I'm already available for you. I'm always there to help you in anything that you find difficult or tough. Okay students, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.